Okay, we managed to get him after a bunch of lifting and grunting and groaning, and Chris still limping. We got him in the showroom. A little messy. Maybe a job for Super Brady. But yeah, we should be able to have some fun with this. He's ducking, I'm not sure why. I'm not shooting. Only the camera. No, I was filming, but not shooting. Okay, we'll be back. Well, everybody's gone for the weekend now, and it kind of looks like a bomb went off, but they helped me get this stuff into the shop anyway. Yeah, I think you'll be surprised how good that car looks when I've done it. It's looking a little worse for wear right now, but yeah, we'll clean it all up and see how good we can make it. Had this car 38 years ago, so we had a lot of fun with it. Ran 845s, I think, with it, about 150 miles an hour. Yeah, used to pop the wheels, and yeah, we had a pretty good time with it. So now we'll get it all cleaned up and see what we're going to put in for a motor and see what we're going to do with some stuff. But it should be fun. It should be kind of exciting. And see how nice maybe a guy can make it again. I'm hoping we can make a pretty nice car out of it. And you guys can follow along and see what we do. This one here, I might steal the motor out of it for it. I don't really fit in it. It's actually kind of a nice car. They were running 5.3s in the 8th. I think they were running 890s or something with it in the quarter. So it actually goes pretty good. 406 in it. Yeah, not a bad car really. Cohen 2-speed glide. 9-inch diff. Looks like aluminum center section diff. It would have to be. If it was bare metal, it'd be rusting. So actually, yeah, not a bad car. The old front engine car, it's got an 8 3/4 Chrysler diff in it. And yeah, a bunch of history with that one. But anyway, you can follow along as we build these, and hopefully you guys will like what we do to them. And then we'll be back from there. Okay, thanks for watching.